Hello everyone, my name is Madhav and welcome to Gyanshala with Masti. Today we will be talking about that how can we make a copper coin into a gold coin. So let us talk about it. So we are not actually going to make it gold, but we are going to make it a golden color coin. So let us see. So first we will take a copper coin and there is always oxides on top of it. So we will take a mixture of vinegar and salt and then we will mix it and we will put the coin into it so that all the oxides will be removed. Then after that we will make a solution of sodium hydroxide and add the zinc metal in it. So when it will be added, then we will add the coin which has its oxides removed and then we will add it to the bottle or the beaker. So when we add it, you will see that the zinc metal is being coated on top of the coin. So it will make a silver coin. Now, how to make it golden? So the simple thing to make it golden is heating it. So if we put it and put it into some water to wash off the chemicals and then after that if we heat it, the heat will cause the zinc metal and the copper metal which was already there because we are just coating zinc on top of the copper. So copper is still there and zinc also is there. So when these two react, when they are heated, they make brass. So brass is of gold color, so that's why it will make a gold coin. So please like and share this video and please subscribe to the channel also. Bye.